Hello guys, let's learn some colors name. Sky blue color, purple color, green color, dark blue color, orange color, yellow color, red color, let's try to learn some alphabets. A for arrow. B for bus. C for candy. D for dark. E for elephant. F for fish. G for goat. H for house. I for iron. J for jelly. K for king. L for lily. M for moon. N for net. O for orange. P for pineapple. Q for quip. R for ring. S for sun. T for tiger. U for university. V for violin. W for wax. X for Xerox. Y for yogurt. Z for zip. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next videos. Bye bye.